down the ramp, up onto the platform.
Go, train, go.
3.
Backwards, it'll go really fast forwards. We'll do it one more time, really fast.
3. Wow.
Let's go ahead and swing that over here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whoa, 7, 8, we're gonna keep going. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Ready? Bam! Wow, that just wrecked it down into a whole bunch of pieces. Now we've got 30 blocks, so let's start building. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, keep going, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, wow, it's getting really tall, 17, 18, 19, there's 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. We built a little roof on it. Look at that. Wow. Here we go. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow. This is gonna be huge. Look at the size of this. This is gonna be great. Oh, I can't wait. There's so many different colors on this, and it's so bright. Wow, this is getting really tall. I hope that wrecking ball can wreck it. We'll do one more layer up top. We'll do the roof. Here we go. More over there. And a couple more right there. This is huge. This is like a tall skyscraper. Oh, it's so awesome. Okay, let's see. Take a look at this finished tower. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Here we go. 1 car. Now I'll make another one. I'm gonna press it down and squish it, making a copy of this awesome fire truck. I'm gonna peel it out and look right there. Now we have 2 cars. Let's get a monster truck so we can squish them. Are you ready? Here we go. Down the ramp, up the platform, down the other platform, into the safety zone, and here we go. Oh, squish the first car. Oh, squish the second car, and into the finish line. Now we have 3 cars. Are you ready? Here we go. Down the ramp, up onto the platform, down off the platform into the safety zone, crushing the first car, crushing the second car. Here's a big one. Oh, crushing the third and into the finish line. That was awesome. Let's see if we can do 2 monster trucks at the same time. Are you ready? We're gonna set up our cars. And here's our 2 monster trucks. And let's get them up here. They're gonna go down the ramp, up onto the platform, down off the platform, and here they go. Wow.
Wow.
Right into the finish line. Here's our giant monster truck. Ready? Down the ramp, up onto the platform, off the platform into the safety zone. Oh, wow. Look at it crushing the cars. Oh, and through the finish line. That was great. Now, our biggest run yet. We have 8 cars. Are you ready? Ready, set, go. Down the ramp, up over there, off of the platform. Ready for the big crash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cars. Through the finish line. They made it.
Let's count 5. 1, slide it in and click it. 2, I'll put that right there. 3, right there. 4, that fits right there. This is a switch track. And 5. Uh-oh. Let's keep going and see what happens, but we might have a problem here. Oh, we have to fix this track. Pour out cement right there. And then look, we've got a brand new track. How awesome is that? Now, we have to get our roller out. Look at this roller. Isn't that awesome? And the roller can come and he's gonna roll that track nice and flat. And I think we're ready to test it out. Let's see what happens. Oh, the track. 2, 3. This is a big crane piece. Here we're gonna put these on top. We're gonna build up this giant crane. And then I'm gonna get this in there. If it fits. And look at that, we made it. This has a giant rock on it. Let's go ahead and swing that over here. And then we're gonna drop it down right into the dump truck. Oh, and this is a really awesome dump truck. So this tips back and forth. And so we can load it up and we can tip it out. So we'll put him over here. Now, let's keep counting. This is number 4 and number 5. Let's go ahead and send our train all the way through there. Is it gonna make it all the way around? Oh no. Let's count to 5 again. Here's 1. We'll put that piece right there. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now look at this piece. This one has gates on it, and this is a railroad crossing, so the cars can drive through here, and we can make sure that we'll put that down and the train will stop. Let's see what happens. Oh no, it's stuck there. But we can let the cement truck go back over here. Oh, he can't get through. Let's back him up. This is the front loader. The front loader can move that out of the way. And now our cement truck can go through and get back to the other side. And we'll pick our gates up. And now let's send our train through. Look at this awesome train. I think that we'll have to stop over here for another rock. And let's go ahead and get our front loader. And the front loader can drive over here. And he's gonna get this rock. And then our crane. It's gonna lower down and pick up the rock. And it's getting it up really high. And we're gonna load it back in there. Right in there. Made it through the switch piece, around the corner. We'll move our cement truck over here. Oh, it went over our new track that we fixed. Underneath the crane. And it's coming around, we'll have to hurry. And we'll get this up here. And it's just gonna make it through in time. Oh, it got stuck a little there, but it made it. Look at that, guys, it made it all the way through. Let's go through the small loop one more time just to make sure it can make it through without any issues. And is it gonna make it? I don't know, guys. That rock is really heavy. We gotta help it just a little bit.
We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, keep going, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Wow, look at this tower with 30 tiles. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Wow, that was awesome. This time, let's build to 40. Let's get started. Let's build. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, we're halfway there. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, wow, 26, 27, 28, 29, here's 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and the last piece, 40. Wow, look at this giant tower. Now, do we use the small wrecking ball or the big wrecking ball? We use the small wrecking ball or the big wrecking ball? I think we're gonna use the big wrecking ball because this is our biggest tower and it's giant. So let's see, do you guys think that the big wrecking ball can wreck this tower? I don't know, let's find out. 1, 2, 3. Wow, that was amazing.